All right, guys, we're gonna try to head out and go to the original start of the River to River Trail, Battery Rock. I think there's a waterfall there too. You can see it's still raining pretty good. We'll go see if we can find it. Always remember when you're going hiking to start out with a good, nutritious, healthy meal, like City Meals from McDonald's and sausage and biscuit from McDonald's. Make sure you got the calories, carry on your hike. Had to come to E-Town to get some fuel, so figure we might as well stop by and look at the new original starting point of the River to River Trail.
We're all falling and we need a place to hide. A safe place somewhere in the woods we can start a fire. All we know is what will be our home. We will stay until break of dawn.
Just pulled up at the trailhead. The rain's finally quit. A little bit muddy. See if this waterfall's flowing back here.
The cold night takes us to a place to escape the chill. Tucked up somewhere in the woods on a hill. Wake up feeling the cold in between our toes. Is there a way back? Nobody knows. And we leave it all behind. Can't you see we need some time? And we all sit around the fire. We feel a little warmer now. And we all sit around the fire. We feel so much better now.
Awesome waterfall here back at Battery Rock. Just awesome. Beautiful.
And we all sit around the fire. We feel a little warmer now. And we all sit around the fire. We feel so much better now. And we all sit around the fire. We feel a little warmer now. And we all sit around fire. We feel so much better now.
There's the original start of the River to River. I hear Battery Rock. Pretty muddy and I don't want to lose my boots. so I'm not going to go down there. Sure, this tree here can tell some stories. There's Kentucky. Caseyville boat ramp to be exact. We have no clue on this one. Called Panther Falls. There's no trail. Apparently you just bushwhack down a creek, so we'll see if we can find it. Well, looks like we're at least in the right area. Whether or not we'll find the waterfall, I don't know, but we're in the right area.
They show me the way. Oh, 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 take my hand, I'll lead you home. Escape our fate, you'll walk alone. Turn down the lights, the night moons are gone.